Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking at my face first time, then I'm Sonam Raotole. I do a lot of stuff on my YouTube channel such as vlogs, paintings, makeup, travel vlog, fun vlog, enjoyment, everything on my channel. And if you have still not subscribed, subscribe now. You'll enjoy everything you get on my channel. So yes, subscribe now. Also hit the bell icon. And further ado, let's get started. So today I'm going to do my makeup tutorial. I have not done this makeup tutorial since a long time now. So today I'm going to do my makeup tutorial and I'm just going to show you how we can create a nice makeup look. So yes, products you can use anything like whatever you have and all. Let's start. Do my base now. I'm going to put a moisturizer, primer, whatever you can do a base. So let's do my base now. I'm going to take a moisturizer. You can take any of the moisturizer you have. I'm taking the Garnier moisturizer. I'm just going to melt the moisturizer into my hands and I'm just going to put all over my face. I'm going to take a primer. This is from PAC Professional Primer. I'm going to take a little bit amount of it, tiny bit of it. Just warm it up and then apply to your nose, wherever you want to apply it. I'm just going to apply it on my full face and just melt the product down. DIY foundation, and I'm going to take a little bit of it. If you want to know how I have created this foundation, this is a perfect match for me. If you want to know how I've done this foundation, then do comment me. So I'm just going to apply this foundation over my face with my hands and just I will blend it. This is a very nice foundation, suits my skin really nice. And I'm going to take the loose powder from K Beauty. I'm just going to take my brush. Okay, if you want to know from where I bought these brushes, then you can let me know. Okay, and I'm just going to apply it under my eyes, and this powder is really nice. I love this powder so much. It's really beautiful. I'll just dust it all over my skin. Any colored eyeliner you have.